Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today I got another article I'd like to share with you. Once again, we have TikTok in the news, and the Gen Zs and Millennials always get really butthurt when I talk badly about their golden calf. But I gotta say, TikTok, there's definitely something sketchy about it, and I can say that because I've been in the basement on the internet for quite a while, and I tell you, I have not seen any social media affect the universe quite the way that TikTok has. Now, I think we can all agree that Facebook has definitely done certain things to society, but you can't compare Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. These all hit society in very different ways. Now, personally, my particular problem with TikTok is it's giving information in a very entertaining way, in a very rapid-fire way to make people think different things about not only themselves, but about others and the relationships of others. Anyways, in this article from the New York Post, how TikTok has become a dangerous breeding ground for mental disorders. A new group of social media stars are surging on TikTok, mental health influencers. I have noticed this myself. Most of them are teen girls and young women who have posted videos of themselves experiencing symptoms like Tourette's, tics, and rapid switches from one personality to another due to borderline personality disorder. You know what, that last thing, rapid switches from one personality to another, that's just called going through puberty and growing up in your standard public high school type situations. These videos are getting billions of views a week. One TikTok alone has hashtag BPD, borderline personality disorder, and has 3.7 billion views. Hashtag bipolar, 2 billion, and DID, dissociative identity disorder. This is another thing that I have not heard since TikTok came up. There's been a lot of things that I've learned about when TikToks come up, because all of a sudden TikTok has helped people learn new words, even if the TikTokers don't have any credentials or credibility behind them at all. Recently, psychologists have noticed a wave of adolescent girls claiming to suffer from Tourette's syndrome, a rare mental health condition. Yeah, we all know what Tourette's is. Here's a bit of a smoking gun, though. In one case, this individual of Rush University Medical Center in Chicago said numerous girls with tics all blurting out the same word, beans, in an English accent, even some who didn't speak English. As it turns out, a British Tourette's influencer with 14 million followers manifested the exact same beans tic. Now, with TikTok, I've definitely noticed a big boom when it comes to mental health things, and when it comes to many other things. There's a lot of things that I'd never heard of until TikTok came around and until people started completely submerging their lives in it. So now, because of TikTok, we have a lot of people that believe that they have borderline personality disorder, that believe they have Tourette's, tics, all kinds of things, and ADHD, which is yeah, it's definitely a big problem. TikTok is my therapist, and right here is one of the things that I'm noticing. A lot of people are making TikTok their therapist, and they're just jumping online. Now, I know that this happens on Reddit and other places too, but once again, I'm going to come out and say it's not the same thing, because in TikTok, it's all about pinging your emotions. I remember back in the day in the 80s, I'd watch a half-hour show, my emotions might get pinged 3 times, but within that 22 minutes. When it comes to TikTok, it seems like they're pinging your emotions every 30 seconds. People are putting information out about how hard their lives are. Watching this made me think that I might have ADHD. All of a sudden, I think I need to get checked. Do I call my doctors or what? So I have literally seen TikTok influence adults too. Now, a lot of people are saying because of this, you shouldn't let your children on social media until they're 16 years old. But let's face it, there's some people that manage to get beyond 16 and even into their 30s that still have the mentality of children and still have the mental ability to absorb things the same way as children are and as they do. And I'm noticing this with adults. I'm noticing TikToking affecting people and the way that they think about mental disorders, especially like ADHD and like narcissism. There is so much stuff about narcissism on TikTok and relationship abuse from people who might have experienced it but have no education in helping people with it. They're not licensed. They're giving information out. Same with mental health, all kinds of mental health issues. There's people on there that have experienced things, and while they do have experience, they can show you their experience. If you follow their information, you might be going down to the wrong frickin' places because these people are not licensed. Now, what I'm trying to get at is people are using TikTok for self-help and therapy from people who are unlicensed for free, perhaps because within North America it's really expensive to get mental health. I really think that everyone should have free access to mental health. But guys, this isn't it. This isn't it. And people are using TikTok in lieu of this mental health. And it's not making the world a better place. And we have not had this issue with any social media at this level ever before, and I'm concerned about it. We're going to see more, and I can't wait until we can put this behind us as a species. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. If you're butthurt, put your information in the bottom. You know, maybe I got a few things wrong here, but at the end of the day, psychologists are worried about this stuff. Wait until psychologists get into this stuff, and you got to really listen to who you're talking to. Like, for example, in Canada, a clinical psychologist can diagnose you with things, but believe it or not, a psychotherapist cannot diagnose you with narcissism, with any of these things. So not only are we not going with licensed therapists to identify other people as things like narcissists and whatnot, but we're going one step further, and we're just going with people who believe that they have suffered narcissistic abuse because the internet has told them so. And once again, this isn't a problem that we've had with any other platform before, so it should be interesting to see where this goes. At the end of the day, folks, take care of each other. I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Have a good one.